Deleting Snapchat memory permanently is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do it. So before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. So first thing you need to do is to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. Once you are pretty sure that your Snapchat is up to date, what you have to do is to open up Snapchat. So here you will see a lot of memories in the top options. So in the top options, select the memory you want to delete. For example, go to the flashbacks that are showing on your screen. Then on the top right corner, you will see three dots. Tap on it. And once you do it, you will see the remove snap option. So once you do it, your snap will be removed. So there is another method in order to delete the memory permanently. For that, what you have to do is to select the snap. So from your memory, make sure that you go and select the snap and go to the more option. In the more option, just simply go and select delete. So once you do it, your memory will be permanently deleted. So that way you will be able to delete your memory permanently. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel and like this video. Take care. Bye bye.